welcome to today's Maker Monday. Today we're going to be making two different types of dough, some super soft silky dough and some nice and crumbly snow dough. So let's get started. So first we're going to make our super soft silky dough. Now for this you will need a bowl, a 1 cup measuring cup, some corn flour and just some cheap conditioner. I've used some nicely scented berry one, but you can use whatever conditioner you like. So first we're going to measure 2 cups of corn flour into our bowl. Now that you've got your corn flour, we're just going to add in our conditioner. I'm just going to add just a little bit less than 1 cup, so roughly about 3/4 of a cup. Just squeeze it all in. And then I'm going to pop it just straight into my bowl. This is where it gets a bit messy, so you're going to need to use your hands, so prepare to get messy. So just going to mix it all in. As we mix, it will slowly start to come together. Now it feels really nice and soft because of the conditioner and the corn flour mixed together. It's just going to mix in together. It's a little bit wet now, but it will mix in together. If you find it gets too wet, you can always add more corn flour. So you can see it's just started to come together. This is just the texture we want, where it's just starting to stick together, but it's not too sticky. And it's just nice and soft and silky. If you like, you can add some food coloring to it to make a beautiful color, or you can just keep it natural. Enjoy. Okay, so now we're going to make our snow dough. For this, you're going to need some measuring cups again in your bowl. And we're going to use corn flour instead of conditioner for this one. We're going to use some body lotion or hand cream, whatever you have at home. So we're just going to measure a cup of our corn flour into our bowl. This one's a little bit crumblier. And then you just need 1/2 cup of lotion to add into your corn flour. Just going to add that in again. This is another messy one to use with your hands. Okay, and you're just going to use your hands to mix it all in until it's nice and soft. Now this is not as sticky as your silky dough, but it will mix in together to make a lovely crumbly texture, which will just hold together when you pop it into a ball, just like real snow, but then when you drop it, it will crumble. So just get your hands in there and really mix it in really, really well, just so it starts to come together. Again, with this one, if you find it's too sticky, you can always add more corn flour. It's not an exact science, so just add at what you need to add. Okay, so here we have our finished product of our snow dough. So you can see that while it's on the table, it's quite crumbly, but then I can mold it with my hands into lovely little snowballs. So I hope you enjoyed making our super soft silky dough and lovely crumbly snow dough at today's Maker Monday. If you're after some more rainy day activities, check out some of the books at the library that can give you some great ideas. See you next time.